Fat grafting is a surgical technique where your own fat is transplanted from one part of the body to another. Fat grafting can be done on a large scale, such as improving volume of the breast or buttocks, and it can be done on a small scale with more processed fat, and we classically use this to address the stigmata of aging in the face. Fat grafting is considered by some to be an ideal filler because it's 100% biologically compatible. It provides a soft and natural result, and it's theoretically permanent. The face contains numerous compartments of fat, and these are located both superficially and deep. As we age, the superficial fat compartments tend to become larger or hypertrophy, whereas the deep fat compartments tend to atrophy or become smaller. The resorption of deep fat is one of the elements that we see in the aging face. Fat is also postulated to have a number of anti-aging effects due to the high presence of stem cells. When we're considering fat grafting to the face, there are a number of areas that can be treated. For example, we can look at hollowing of the temple, camouflaging bags under the eye, softening nasolabial folds, filling the lips. When you do undergo fat grafting, there's some important things to take into consideration. Fat is a living tissue, and significant weight gain will also cause increase in size of the fat that has been grafted. This can cause contour issues and bulging. When we transplant fat, it needs a blood supply. Fat that doesn't have a blood supply undergoes what we call necrosis, and this can form a hard lump or a cyst. As an extension of this concept, fat that doesn't have a blood supply and dies or necroses disappears to a large extent, and therefore a certain volume or proportion of the fat we graft is lost. This means that sometimes we need to do multiple rounds of fat grafting, and it also means that sometimes we overfill or add a bit extra to try to compensate for this known loss of fat as it heals into the body. Fat grafting is a very powerful tool for helping to define contour and shape to the face. We often use it in combination with a face and or neck lift as part of our armamentarium against facial aging.